Hey guys, Mike from Affiliates Blue Vine Farm, and today we're talking soil health. How exactly do you turn dirt into soil? Find out coming up. So I started this project many years ago, and this particular site took almost a decade to build out because all of this area in 18th and Vine Jazz District at one time was industrial. And so we really had to take a lot of time and a lot of care in order to get the soil right. Basically, we brought life back to this urban soil, and it's been an incredible journey. Would I do it again? Yes, I would. But it was an almost overwhelming task, but we were able to do it. So let me talk a little bit about the soil. So what we've done here is basically recreated a forest floor. Originally, when I bought this land, we had the soil tested and it wasn't very good at all. In fact, it cost a lot of money just to do the test was $30,000. We spent a very large amount of money. Now, why would we do that? Well, because we had a dream, and the dream was to do something that had never been done before, do something incredible. So one of the ways we built the soil was with compost. And we used tons and tons of leaves, and we shredded those, and we added a lot of alfalfa, a lot of good biology to it, a lot of nitrogen to help break down the carbon. And at the end of the day, we recreated a forest floor. And so that's what this is. And it would take probably 40 years in nature to do what we did in less than a decade.
Hope floats to the top, more than just a thought. Hope floats to the top, give it all we got.
'Cause we already have everything we need. Every day we become who we dream to be. Say my shine is coming out, I'm so proud of me. I'm overcoming doubt, that's the power in me. It's all because
I got
you got to just
raise it up.
It's all because
We got trust.
you got to just
We got us. Let's
It's all because
you
you got to just
raise it up.
It's all because
We got trust. We got us.
Hope floats to the top, more than just a thought. Hope floats to the top, give it all we got. Hope floats to the top, more than just a thought. Hope floats to the top, give it all we got. Hope floats to the top, more than just a thought.
We just have an incredible, beautiful, nutrient-rich soil. At the end of the day, we were able to transform dirt into soil.
Give